Okay, I'll show you guys how to connect your domain here. Pretty simple process. I'll show you how to do it with my recommended domain provider. There's a link down in the description for this video on YouTube and for GoDaddy as well. So to connect your domain, you're going to come in here and go use an existing domain. Come up here, it's going to say www, and we will go with let me see here, I go over here and I'll get started in GoDaddy as well. So in GoDaddy, we're going to do it right here. It's going to be manage under GoDaddy for the domain, and we will use this one here, funnelguru.club. So I'll type in here funnelguru.club, and then I'll say add domain, and then it'll come up and tell me to enter a CNAME for www that points to target at clickfunnels.com, or target.clickfunnels.com, excuse me. So I come over here and then I go to where are we at? Advanced DNS. And then I go in here and I say I want to add a CNAME record. So I'm going to get rid of this because this is just to park, because it's not pointed anywhere yet. So we'll do just like that and save it. See, CNAME www target.clickfunnels.com. Now we'll go over here, tell it I've done this step. This can take up to 24 hours to do. It doesn't usually. This will take a minute here, I guarantee you this, because it's communicating. See how quick that went? So then what you want to do is you want to connect it to the funnel that you're working on. So I'm not going to do that step because it doesn't need to be done for me. But click on, this is the one we're working on. Just click on that, click associate funnel, and it'll automatically connect to that funnel. So then when you type that funnel name in your address bar up top, it will populate that funnel for your visitors.